Good morning students. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the digestion of food. In the previous class we were discussing about the types of nutrients and about water and roughage. Water and roughage are also very equally important in our body as our body need nutrients. Okay, and now we are going to study about digestion of food. So how the food get digest in our stomach. See, the food that we eat is not directly used by the body to get energy. Yes, it is true. See, our body will not get the food that we eat directly. There are some procedures, there are some processes there in our body that go through the food. Okay, so our body, the food we eat directly will not used by our body to get energy. It is broken down into simpler forms for use. So firstly we eat our food. That will, what happened with that food, that will broke down, that will be broke down into simpler forms in the teeny forms. And this process of breaking down of food into simpler forms is called as digestion. So the process of digestion, what is digestion? The definition of digestion is there. The food gets, the eaten food will not take out from our body into the directly. What will happen, that it is broke down into smaller or simpler forms. So that process is called as digestion. Write down the definition is there. The process of breaking down of food into a simpler forms. Is known as digestion. Is known as digestion. It is the definition of digestion. What will happen here? The process of breaking down of food. So food ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, and the simpler forms of food are various nutrients in their basic forms. So we eat food, and what we eat in the food in the form of nutrients also. Okay, in the form of food what we eat various kinds of nutrients in their basic form, and these nutrients are then taken to all the parts of the body by the blood. Yes, it happens in our body that our eaten food is taken to all the other parts of our body by the blood. ತಿಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಲೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಎಸ್, ದ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಲೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಿದ್ದು. ತಿಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದೇನಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. So it is a very slow process, we can say. It takes a few hours for its completion. The process of digestion takes a few hours to completion, and several organs of our body helps in the digestion the food we eat. Yes, so to digest the eaten food, there are some organs in our body that helps to digest the food. That's because it is a very slow process, so it takes hours to complete the process. Okay, and all the organs that help in digesting food are collectively referred as to the digestive system. So the organs in our body which helps the food to get digest is called as a digestive system. Okay, and let us now see how digestion takes place in our body. Do you have any idea that how the eaten food is digested in our body. There are some processes. I told you digestion is a very slow process, and many organs are there in our body which helps them to digest the food properly. Okay, so what are those processes? First one is, it starts from the inside the mouth. Is it? Yes. Firstly, it starts with the inside the mouth. So it starts from the inside the mouth, because firstly we eat food. Is it? We eat food by using what? By using our mouth. Is it? So the digestion starts from inside our mouth. So the process of digestion begins from the moment we put a morsel in our mouth. What is the meaning of morsel? Morsel in the sense a small piece of food. So the digestion takes or starts from our mouth when we put a small morsel in our mouth. Okay, and as the food is chewed with the help of teeth, it is broken down into smaller pieces. As we put a morsel into our mouth, what will start there? Yes, chewing. The chewing process is started. Chewing in the sense, ಬಾಯಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಏನು ಫುಡ್ ಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಚೀವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಗಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗಿಯೋದಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಇಸ್ chewed with the help of teeth. By using what we chewed our food? We chew our food by using our teeth, and it is broken down into smaller pieces. What will happen to the food when we chew it? It will cut or it will broken into smaller pieces, and the smaller food pieces get mixed with the digestive liquid called saliva. That eaten food will get mixed with a liquid is there in our mouth. What we call that liquid? We call it saliva. So that food will get mixed with this saliva, which is secreted by the salivary glands in our mouth. This saliva is secreted by salivary glands. So this saliva is produced by salivary glands in our mouth, and the saliva softens the chewed food and changes in the insoluble starch into soluble sugar. ಈ ಸಲೈವ ನಾವು ತಿಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ಡು ಈ ಸಲೈವ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಫುಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It gets soft and it changes into insoluble starch into sugar. Starch ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಫುಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? soluble sugar ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. Okay, so this is how the food takes place inside the mouth. Firstly we eat the food by using with our mouth, and the eaten food will get chewed by using the teeth. Okay, and that food will get mixed with the liquid is called saliva. The saliva is secreted by the salivary glands. Is it? And next, that saliva softens the eaten food and changes into insoluble starch into the soluble sugar. Okay. So next, after chewing the food, what will happen? One more procedure is there, that is inside the stomach. What is that? Inside the stomach. So you got the procedure how the food we eat by using our mouth and what will happen inside our mouth. Now after swallowing that food, what will happen inside our stomach? See, from the mouth the food passes through a tube called the food pipe into the stomach. After chewing that food properly, okay, you chewed your food properly. Now what will happen? What you do with that food? You just swallow it. You swallow it, and that food will passes through a food pipe, a tube. A tube is there. What we call that tube? That is the called food pipe. ಬಾಯಿಯೊಳಗೆ ತಿಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಏನು ಫುಡ್ ಎದರಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದು? ಫುಡ್ ಪೈಪಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಫುಡ್ ಪೈಪಿಂದ ಪಾಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್. ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಚ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್. ಓಕೆ, and the stomach secretes digestive juices, and the muscles of the stomach helps in churning and mixing the food with these juices. So stomach ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ? ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಯಾವ ಥರದ್ದು ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ digestive juices and the muscles of the stomach. What will happen? The muscles of the stomach helps the food to get more digest. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಫುಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಯಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣಗಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಫುಡ್ ಪೈಪಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಜೊತೆ ಆ ಫುಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಮಸಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅದಿನ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಣ್ಣಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದು ಫುಡ್ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಹೌ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ okay now the last procedure is there that is the inside the intestine inside yes two intestines are there in our stomach that is the small intestine and large intestine okay so stomach ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನುಳಿಕಿದ್ದ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಸೊ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಐನಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಒನ್ process is there that is the inside the intestine what will happen to the food in the inside of the intestine we will discuss it in tomorrow class okay so what we have discussed today digestion of food firstly we eat the food through our mouth is it and we chew it properly with the help of teeth and the food get mixed with the saliva what is the saliva is a liquid which is secreted by the salivary glands okay after chewing the food properly that food will pass through a tube that is called as a food pipe and it will go and reach the stomach and then that food get mixed with the digestive juices in the stomach and the digestive juices will break down the food into simpler forms okay up to here we have discussed what will happen to that food in the intestine that we will study in tomorrow's class.